Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to tell if a message is read on Facebook Messenger. Messenger uses simple icons to show you whether your message has been sent, delivered, or seen. After you send a message, look at the small symbol next to it. A hollow circle means your message is still sending. The circle with the check mark means the message has been sent but not delivered yet. Or in the newer version of Messenger, you will see a small sent and a timestamp of when the message was sent. And if the text is written as sent, it means the message is sent but not delivered, and the person may be offline. If the message that you have sent is written as delivered and a timestamp, it means the message has been sent and delivered to the recipient, but the recipient has not yet opened your message, and the message has not been read. To confirm the message is read, look at the small profile picture on the person right next to your message. When their photo appears, it means they have opened the chat and viewed your message. In some older version of Messenger, you may even see the word seen along with a timestamp. In group chat, you will see multiple profile pictures showing who has seen your message. Using these indicators, you can easily understand when your message has been viewed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos